Welcome, dear students, to SMC e-learning. Since most of our students are using smartphones for Google Classroom, I created new video in which we will see how to submit assignment or homework given by your teacher on Google Classroom through smartphone. So, to first start with a Google Classroom, you need to first install Google Classroom app on your mobile, which you have already done. Now, you need to click on Google Classroom app. Once you click on Google Classroom app, at the top left corner you can see three lines. That is the dashboard. Click on that and make sure that your school account is active on that. You can click on the drop down arrow and switch through different accounts if another account is added in that. So go back. Now at the top right corner there is a plus icon. When you click on that plus icon, join class tab will open. So you can enter any class code given by your teacher and you can join to a particular class by entering the class code. Since this student is already joined for two classes in her classroom, two classes are displaying. One is the ICT and other is maths. So if I want to check the work or the assignment given by my teacher, I have to click on that particular class. For example, if I click on maths classroom, okay, so in classroom, this is the maths classroom of the student. So if you see at the bottom, there are three tabs. One is stream, other is the classwork, and the last one is people. Stream is like a timeline. When teacher posts any message or announcement or she gives any homework assignment, you will get a notification on the stream. So now for maths class, teacher has given new assignment of assignment numbers, assignment 1 and 2. So you can go to that assignment by clicking on the particular stream, or you can go back, you can go to the classwork, and in the classwork you can see there is a numbers topic, and in numbers topic there are two assignments. Now these assignment, how you will check and how you will submit to the teacher. Teacher can give you assignment in the different form. It can be a PDF, it can be a Google Doc, okay. That assignment may be a quiz type like Google form. So we will see how different assignments can be submitted or homework can be submitted to the student. So first one is the numbers assignment 1. If the students click on that assignment, okay, there are some instructions and 5 points are there for the assignment. So dear students, please find attached Google document of numbers assignment. Kindly solve the given problems in attached file only and submit. That means teacher has given the instruction that you need to solve the assignment in the Google document. So if it is a kind of Google document, that means in your mobile there should be a Google Doc app you have to install in your mobile. So there is a, at the bottom there is your work section. So click on this. When you click on that, you can see one document is attached over there. So your name will automatically come over there. Click on that assignment. When you click on an assignment, the assignment will open in your mobile. Okay, so there is a maths assignment 1. Now how you can edit in the assignment, because you have to write there only answers. So at the top there is a pen like symbol, that is the editing option. You click on that. When you click on that, at the bottom you can see different pens and the tools. So if you want to write, you can make use of pen. Otherwise if you want to type, there is a that is for text typing. Click on that and drag on your file. So it will create one box. Now you can type like 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is the answer for the first one. I'll reduce this. Okay, and you can move that. So now for first my answer is clear. Okay, now for the second one. Again type A, drag that box here. 5 4s are 20. So again I will reduce the size and I can bring that here. Similarly 6 minus 3 is, answer is 3. Okay, so like this you need to submit your assignment and you can keep it at that point. Okay, similarly you will solve the next question also. When your assignment is completed, when you complete the assignment, there are 3 dots at the top. Click on that and click on save. That means your assignment will be saved, and in the attached file itself, that edited, okay, Mary D'Souza, that means you have attached the, automatically it will get attached. And then there is an option called hand in. There is one more section, that is add private comment. If you have any doubt related to the assignment, you can type in this box and you can give the private comment to the teacher. Click on hand in. Again confirm hand in. Hand in means when you click on hand in, automatically your assignment will be submitted to the teacher. Okay, so this is one kind of assignment, that is a Google document. And if the assignment is of Google document, you need to install Google Doc app. Now we will move to the next type of assignment. See, another one, assignment 2 is there in my classroom. So I will click on the assignment 2. See here, dear students, please find attached file of assignment 2. Kindly solve the given problems in attached file only and submit. Now click here again. Already one file is ready for me, that is a JPG kind of file. Okay, so click on that. So teacher had already instructed you to solve the problems there itself. Again there is a editing pane, click on that. Now circle the smallest number. So which one is the smallest number here? So you can take a pen, this. Okay, you can select the thickness from here, color which you want, and then this is the smallest number, so make a circle over there. Again the next one is, okay, which one is the smallest? This one, 2120. Next, which one is the smallest? So 1001. Okay, so similarly you will solve the next questions. Then again these 3 dots are there at the top. Click on that, save. Once your assignment is completed, again your edited file will come as an attachment over there. And then you click on hand in. Okay, once you click on hand in, automatically the assignment will be submitted to the students. So work submitted. Again come back. Now there is one more class, that is the ICT class. So I can go to the ICT class, I can check the assignment. So there is one more assignment here also, new assignment, that is the homework 1. So click on that. Okay, so here there is one video is also attached. So if I click on a video, so the video will play. So this video you need to just view, that is for viewing purpose. And teacher has given you one more a PDF file, and she told you to write the answers in the notebook and submit. So what you can do, you will click here, you can check the PDF file. Okay, then I'll go back. Now here there is a your work section. Click on that. Suppose you have written those assignment or the notes in your notebook. Now you need to add that. So what you will do, you will click on add attachment. If that is saved in your file or in your drive, you can see it is showing you the option drive, link or file. So if you have taken a photo of that, it will go in your file. So it will show you different files. Suppose for example, here there is a section of camera. Okay, so in camera, now it is showing the I'll go to images. Okay, so many images are there, or just for time being I'm clicking on the camera. I'm just for the time being, this is my work. Okay, I will select that file. Okay, similarly your notes will be there, so instead of this file, and then click on hand in, so your work will be submitted to the students. So it can be a drawing, it can be your notes, so in that you need to take a photo, it will be automatically saved in your mobile, and that you need to attach over here. Then one more option, we have seen the assignment of different types like a JPG file, if it is a Google document, if it is a PDF file, or if it is a homework. Now suppose the assignment is a kind of Google form. For example, here if you go to the classwork, homework 1, and below that there is a quiz. So if I click on a quiz, see, dear students, please find attached Google form for a quiz. So here there is a Google form. So when you click on a Google form, so that form will open. Okay, keyboard kids quiz. So you need to give the answers to that. That means MCQs type. When I want to make a space, press space bar. When I make a mistake and I want to erase, then escape key, sorry, delete or backspace. If I want to leave a program, escape key. Identify these keys, arrow keys. If I want to go to the next line, enter key. So I'll just and submit it. Once I submit, I can see the view score option. Click on that, I can see the total points over here. So like this you can submit your Google form also through the assignment. But when you are opening the Google form, you make sure that, see, at the top you can see the email address, so that should be your school ID. Otherwise, if you are opening your personal ID, the form will not open, it will ask for a permission, because our school account is secure. Okay, so you need to make sure that your form is opening in your school ID. Now I have submitted the quiz also. Okay, I have completed all the assignments. You can check here, see, homework 1. Okay, you have done this. Handed in means you have completed. Okay, keyboard quiz also you have handed in, that means you have done. If you go to the maths classroom also, okay, go to the classwork, you can check the assignment whether it is done or not. Handed in means those assignments are already submitted to the teacher. So like these ways, different kinds of assignments you can submit through Google Classroom on your smartphone. Thank you.